If you're trying to build income online in 2026 and it feels like you're working hard but not moving forward, this video is for you. Because most people don't fail online due to lack of effort, they fail because they're missing structure. They create content without a clear system, they build websites without strategy, and they try to grow authority without positioning. And that leads to frustration, slow growth, and burnout. But here's the shift. Online success really comes down to three things: content, platform, ownership, and authority. And when those three work together, growth becomes much more predictable. So let's break this down simply. First, you need content. Because without content, you don't exist online. But content creation is time-consuming. Scripts take forever, voiceovers are technical, visuals require tools, and most people get stuck staring at a blank screen. And that's where Imimic can help, because it brings AI-powered copywriting, voice cloning, visual creation, and multilingual support into one dashboard. So instead of juggling multiple subscriptions, you can create faster and stay consistent. And speed matters because momentum builds confidence, and confidence builds consistency. Now, once you're creating consistently, the next step is owning your platform. And this is where many creators make a mistake by relying only on social media. Algorithms change, reach drops, and suddenly everything feels unstable. Which is why Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit becomes important, because it teaches you how to properly build and manage your own WordPress site step by step, from setup to themes to plugins, so you're not dependent on platforms you don't control. Your website becomes your digital asset, your foundation, your control center. And when you own your platform, your business becomes more stable and scalable. But even with content and a website, there's still one key factor that determines whether people trust you, and that's authority, because authority isn't about being famous, it's about positioning yourself in a way that builds credibility and reduces doubt. And that's where the authority engine fits in. It focuses on helping you structure your message, refine your positioning, and present yourself in a way that builds trust faster. And when trust increases, selling becomes easier. Not pushy, not forced, just natural. And when you step back, you can see how these three systems work together. Imimic helps you create efficiently, Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit helps you own and control your platform, and the Authority Engine helps you position yourself with credibility, and that combination reduces friction across your entire online business. And when friction goes down, consistency becomes easier, and consistency is what actually produces results, not random bursts of motivation. I've written detailed and honest reviews of each of these products on my website, so if you want a full breakdown of features, pros, cons, and who each one is best for, visit ridhtekreviews.com. The link is in the description below. And before you leave, if this video helped you think more clearly about your next step, please like the video because it really supports the channel. Comment below which tool you're most interested in or where you feel stuck right now. Share this video with someone building an online business, and subscribe for more honest reviews and practical online business insights.